Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In the last class, tell me what we have discussed. Can anyone tell me? Uh-huh. Yes, you remember Motu and Patlu? Yes, very good. So we have discussed about fat and thin. Okay. So in today's class, I will tell you about tall and short. Tall and short. So let's start our today's class. Okay. So tell me, how am I looking to you? Am I tall or short? I am tall. And can you tell me now? Now I am short. And now I am tall. Now I am short. Okay. So tell me, your father is tall or short? Your father is tall and you kids are small. Okay. Father is tall and you all are short. Okay. Now at your homes, when your father will come from work, you all will see and stand next to your father and you will match the height. Who is taller and who is shorter. Okay. Let's start our today's class. So what are these? These are two trees over here. One tree is tall and another one is short. One tree is tall and this one is short. So this tree says, I am tall. I am tall. And this tree says, I am short. This tree says, I am short. And have you seen a coconut tree? Coconut tree is very tall, okay? Please must watch a coconut tree. It is the tallest tree, okay? Now, next one is stools. It's a wooden stools on which we sit or which we come to use the work, okay? These are two stools, which is stool A and stool B. So this stool is big and this is short. Tall, short. This stool is big and this stool is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Can you sit on the tall stool? No, you won't be able to sit on the tall stool. But I know you'll be able to sit on the short stool. Okay. So this is tall and this is short. Now next is the rocket. Rocket flies up in the sky. Okay. And do you know, recently our ISRO has launched a Chandrayaan-3 into the space like this only. Chandrayaan-3 was like this only. It goes up in the sky, okay? So there are two rockets here. One is tall and one is short. One is tall and one is short, okay? Next is there are two buildings. One building has many floors and this building has no floors. Okay. So the building which has many floors, this is tall and this one is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now look here. Now tell me, who is short here? There are two children. One, two. One is boy and one is girl. So tell me, boy is short or tall? Boy is short. And which one is taller here? Girl. Girl is tall here. Okay. Boy is short and girl is tall. Okay. Okay, so that was it for today. We have learned the concept of tall and short. Okay, now look at me. I am tall and you all are short like this. Okay, so that was it. Now keep practice this concept of tall and short at your home and I will see you in the next class. Till then, Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.